In the arid and semi-arid lands of Marsabit County, the Mount Kulal region stands as a beacon of hope, thanks to the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations FAO's restoration of arid and semi-arid lands of Kenya through Bioenterprise Development Project under the Global Environmental Facility, where the local community is taking charge of conserving their forest and exploring non-timber forest products for sustainable socio-economic development. The project, carried out in collaboration with the county government of Marsabit, focuses on two key forest landscapes: Mgogodo Forest in Laikipia County and the Mount Kulal Forest in Marsabit County. The latter is owned by the community and protected by a selected group of elders called wazee wa mazingira, who are keen on the management and conservation of the forest. This is a clear case on how a community can conserve and manage their natural resources in a sustainable way, and now boasting of rich biodiversity, including an endemic bird species only found in Mount Kulal.
This is a very special forest because it is a forest that is owned by the community, and it is displaying a lot of issues on diversity. There are special birds that are endemic to this forest, and the forest is well conserved. We have a group here calling themselves wazee wa mazingira that are concerned with the management and conservation of this forest.
Unapoona hii misitu ni kama Mungu yetu ya pili, kwa sababu wakati ya sherehe hata watu ya Lowland wanakuja tufanye sherehe ndani ya misitu, na hakuna mtu anapaswa kukata miti. Kuna ile miti unakata moja tu, sio miti yote. Kuna sheria bylaws ambayo wazee wameweka, unaambua ukukata miti, kata miti moja ambayo inapaswa kukatwa, sio ile yote unakata. Nafikiri wazee walimaliza mambo ya uwizi ndani ya misitu, kwa sababu hii wazee walishunga misitu tangu 1963.
Mount Kulal Forest plays a critical role as a water source for the surrounding area, including Lake Turkana. Mount Kulal ecosystem captures moisture in the form of mist and rains and provides important hydrological services for the entire northern Kenya and provides valuable ecosystem services. Apart from timber, the forest holds non-timber forest products like medicinal plants, honey, gums and resins. The project aims to unlock the potential of these products from the community's benefits. To promote the timber forest products, the project is devising a strategy to support the utilization and commercialization of these resources, enriching the local livelihoods while ensuring conservation.
And one of the key things that the project has supported is the development of a participatory forest management plan, which has been done in a collaborative manner together with Kenya Forest Service. We have the county government, the local community, and that has been spearheaded by the National Museums of Kenya. This is a plan that is going to help in management and conservation of this forest. It outlines various steps and various activities that the community, together with the key stakeholders, are going to undertake so that we can have this forest managed in a sustainable manner, so that we can be able to conserve biodiversity which is here.
As National Museums of Kenya, we have been working here since from early 60s, 80s, 70s and 80s. Initially we came under the project, the UNESCO project, where we did the biodiversity survey, the intense biodiversity survey under the IPAL project. As you know, museum is the custodian of the biodiversity.
The project extends its focus beyond the forest. An agroforestry initiative supported by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations FAO aims to reduce pressure on the forest by promoting food trees like avocado and citrus, providing sustenance to the community and their livestock. Agroforestry offers a sustainable source of wood fuel and animal feed during the dry season, empowering women by reducing their time spent collecting firewood from the forest.
The Mount Kulal biosphere is not only helping the people who are there in the forest, it's going far beyond Loyangalani. We have a fresh water there, a spring, which is sourced from the forest. We have far from Kororoi, Old Trot, even we have a fresh water spring far from here, which is called Kalacha. And if you follow the history of how this ecosystem is connected, the source is from the forest. So it's a forest that is within the desert. And with the issue of desertification now, it's high time for everyone to protect this forest. So as a county government, we have an obligation to manage the forest as a Department of Environment and Climate Change and Natural Resource, and collective responsibility is what we want to embrace.
It is a county forest. It is a community manning, community running. The greatest wonderful that we found with the community today we visited is that it is a taboo to cut a tree. It is against the culture to have even a cut a tree. The forest that we found here, it is just the way you found it just down there when the UNESCO first visited here in the early 70s. As a county government of Marsabit, we have a lot of plan and program on the mitigations and adaptation of the climate change.
As the project continues to unfold, the future looks promising for the community of Mount Kulal. Their dedication to conserving their natural resources and embracing sustainable bioenterprise showcases a model for other regions to follow.
The forests play a very key role in terms of provision of ecosystem services, especially water, the herbal medicine, and also the wild fruits, which community relies on during the dry period. So that's really what's captured in the strategic plan that we are launching today.
Together with the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations FAO, the local community, and the county government of Marsabit, the bioenterprise development in Mount Kulal is nurturing a greener, more prosperous future for the Asals of Kenya. Philip Keitany, KTN News.